Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can connect to another device via Wi-Fi Direct on a Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on connections. Next, tap on Wi-Fi. And then tap on the option button at the top. From the pop-up menu, choose Wi-Fi Direct. And in here, let the phone scan for any available device to connect. So on the other device, you also need to turn on Wi-Fi Direct as well. So go into settings and tap on connections, then tap on Wi-Fi. And here I'm going to tap on Wi-Fi Direct. And now we just wait for the two devices to detect the connections. So here it is, it finally found the two devices. I think I just tapped on it twice, so it kind of turned off. So let's do it slowly this time and tap on the accept button. And that's it. Once they are connected, you can then do like file transfer or share some things between the two devices. Now it's worth noting that for the new Galaxy device, you will not be able to use Wi-Fi Direct. You can only transfer files from an older device to a new device. So for example, this file here, I can transfer to my Galaxy S22, but I will not be able to do it in reverse. So I can use Wi-Fi Direct right here, and I can transfer it to my Galaxy S22 Ultra. And you can see it shows an incoming file, which is really, very quick as well. This is a video file. However, if I want to share this file, so if I open this one up, alright, so if we want to share, you can see the only share options is nearby share. There is no, I can use nearby share or quick share, but there is no Wi-Fi Direct for me to share it back to an older device. So it is kind of like a one-way sharing directions. I can share from an older device to a new device, but not vice versa. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.